The large-scale harvesting and production of mangoes is changing how we enjoy this much-loved fruit, making it more available and abundant than ever. Here's a look at how millions of mangoes are harvested and processed. Welcome to the world of Agricultural Technology Nexus, where the journey of mangoes from the farm to your table begins. Mangoes, a sweet favorite around the globe, are usually planted in late spring, the perfect time for farmers to start fresh crops. Meet a farmer named John, who came up with a smart way to support mango trees by using steel wire, helping them stay strong against strong winds and preventing them from toppling over. These steel wires help the trees grow upright, keeping the fruit safe and secure. Now let's walk through the entire journey of caring for mango trees, from planting all the way to harvest. There's real joy and fulfillment in picking these naturally sweet fruits by hand. Typically, it takes about 2 to 3 years from planting to harvesting mangoes on farms. During the flowering season, the trees start bearing fruit, and in about 105 days, they're ready to be picked. In the lush farmland of Miguel Hidalgo, Mexico, the harvest begins early in the calm of the morning. For the shorter trees, farmers hand-pick the fruit gently, without using any tools. This time-honored method not only protects the tree, but also ensures that the fruit stays whole and fully ripe. Mangoes that aren't quite ready are left on the branch for the next day, ensuring only the best are chosen. For taller trees, though, a different method is used. Farmers use long poles with sturdy nets attached to collect mangoes from higher branches. Once harvested, the mangoes are gathered into large baskets, ready for their next stop, the processing area. After collection, they're arranged neatly in baskets and moved to an inspection zone, where any leftover stems are carefully trimmed by hand. Once this is done, the mangoes head off to the processing facility, where they're prepared in various forms for the market. The first step involves placing the mangoes on a sorting machine with rotating rollers. These bars, powered by horizontal chains, gently roll the mangoes forward. This sorting stage helps separate any underripe or damaged fruits, ensuring only top-quality mangoes move forward. After sorting, the mangoes are washed with high-pressure water to remove any remaining dirt. But before washing, they're briefly treated with hot water to deactivate an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, which can affect the juice's color and flavor. Once prepped, the mangoes are coated with a protective layer, packed into boxes, and sent off for distribution. At the production facility, the process of transforming fresh mangoes into juice begins. Mangoes that pass quality checks are moved to the juice processing area, where the next phase kicks off. Many of these mangoes are also exported globally, helping grow the international market. After the heat treatment, the mangoes are peeled, pitted, and crushed using modern machines. These high-efficiency mango crushers perform all steps smoothly, achieving up to 99.5% effectiveness, recovering nearly all the pulp with minimal waste. This remarkable efficiency means more mango pulp is extracted, reducing waste and boosting the productivity and cost efficiency of juice production. The seeds and peel are removed in separate steps, keeping the process clean and streamlined. Although manual crushing is possible, it results in more waste and extra effort. At the factory, skilled workers use special knives with adjustable blades to peel each mango. They fine-tune the blade thickness based on the fruit's shape to avoid wasting any of the delicious flesh. Once peeled, the flesh is separated from the hard seed with a slicer designed for accuracy and speed. After this, the mango flesh is chopped into smaller pieces and placed in a bubble washer. This machine mixes a mild detergent with water, creating air bubbles to lift away fine debris like dust or tiny hairs. The cleaned mango pieces are then gently lifted and left to drain naturally before being moved to the next stage, which includes degassing. At this step, a vacuum machine removes some of the oxygen from the mango, preventing spoilage, preserving packaging, and helping the juice last longer. Next comes homogenization. Large mango chunks are first crushed manually, then sent into a homogenizer that smooths everything out, creating a consistent, creamy texture. The mango juice is then poured into bottles. These bottles move in batches in a circular motion to the filling valves. Gravity helps fill each bottle, and once the right level is reached, the bottle drops down and detaches. It's then transferred to the capping machine, which has two key parts, one to hold the neck in place and the other to cap it tightly. Finally, the sealed bottles are sent to the labeling machine, completing the packaging process. Inside a large warehouse filled with the rich scent of ripe mangoes, the canning process begins. The golden yellow mangoes are harvested and allowed to ripen naturally, soaking up every bit of summer sweetness. Once they're perfectly ripe, they're sent to large tanks where they're processed into a fragrant mango puree. Then, into the balance tank they go, where each drop of golden mango flows into cans. These products are thoroughly checked for quality, ensuring every can delivers the perfect flavor and smooth texture. Once sealed, the mango cans are stored at room temperature, ready for store shelves. Thanks to this method, people can enjoy the flavor of ripe mangoes year-round, each can a little piece of summer preserved for later. Ever tried frozen mangoes? Here, mangoes are peeled and diced into small pieces. The factory follows strict hygiene standards to ensure safety and quality before the mangoes reach consumers. The process for freeze-dried mangoes starts with hand-picking ripe fruit, washing them and slicing them thin. The slices are frozen at extremely low temperatures in a vacuum, removing moisture while keeping their flavor and nutrients intact. The dried slices are then sealed, offering a tasty, nutrient-packed mango snack. Finally, when it comes to making mango juice, it starts with choosing quality mangoes, washing, peeling, and cutting them into chunks. Then the juice is cold-pressed, filtered to remove pulp, and optionally enhanced with sugar or citric acid. After bottling, the juice is tested for quality and shipped to customers, safe, delicious, and ready to enjoy.